Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Some of you out there may be the I know what I want and I'm gonna go get it crowd, while others want a lot of variety to get their travel trailer down to the final selection. If you're one of the gimme options crowd, you're gonna wanna check out everything that Forest River has to choose from. Now, if that's a bit much, because they do have a ton, narrow it a bit to the Forest River Salem Cruise Lite. You're still going to get a ton of floor plans, from bunkhouses to rear living to toy haulers. Plus, you'll get a great set of fabulous features. Let's check out those features first. What do you say? Once inside a Salem Cruise Lite, the first thing you may say to yourself is, this looks pretty comfy. Well, you're going to be correct. Looking at that pillow back dinette just makes your back say, ah. It's part of the upgraded designer furniture line that they have in there too. Select models will also have the unique Versa Lounge, where the back flips over to either create a full-size sofa or a U-shaped dinette. Plus, the Versa Lounge includes stow and go storage under the sofa. That, added with the storage under the bed, is a whopping 20 cubic feet for those models with the slide out. Now, comfort continues with the 13,500 BTU AC that's ducted in models with the slide out, with optional ducting for those without. For some heat, quite a few Salem Cruise Lite models have a sweet, residentially inspired 5,100 BTU fireplace. The living area comes complete with other great features, such as a dimmer light switch for the living area main lights and cloth roller shades with auto stop. Next, let's look at the kitchen. Here, you'll find a large sink embedded in a seamless countertop, and with a single pole faucet and a stainless steel roll-up sink cover. Microwave, 3-burner cooktop with a concrete sealed stretch hex backsplash and an 11 cubic foot frost-free fridge. The kitchen also comes with a view via the large 48-inch by 12-inch window. You may have casually noticed one thing: no carpet. The floor is a durable vinyl herringbone pattern. Without the carpet, which does tend to trap dirt and pet hair, and let's face it, the Salem Cruise Lite interiors will be easier to clean that way. The sleeping areas are very nice as well. In the main bedroom, you'll get an evergreen mattress with a sweet fitted sheet, and to help you sleep, every main bedroom has a place designated for CPAP storage. In the bathroom, the shower area is surround and comes with a skylight. Other nice touches? How about the bunks? Well, every Salem Cruise Lite has models with flip-up bunks. They have chalkboards on the bottom side of the flip-up bunks, so you can write comments like, clean your bunk area, or whatever you lost, it's not here. Your camping trip might be different, I'm just saying. Every Salem Cruise Lite adds a little ambiance with an LED light strip under the entertainment center. Oh, entertainment? You bet. Inside, you'll get a Bluetooth stereo, and to get reception, all Salem Cruise Lite models have the King OmniGo HD television antenna prepped for King Wi-Fi extender, King LTE cell booster, and King satellite antennas. Also, you're going to get a nifty pair of speakers on the exterior. Hey, we're outside now because the sun's shining. Awesome. Hey, the Salem Cruise Lite has a ton going for it on the exterior. I'm going to continue that chalkboard theme from the bunks on the 30 by 20 smooth fiberglass door side baggage doors that have magnetic latches, dry erase board capability in case you need to draw a quick map, or to let everybody know to be quiet because Grandpa is snoozing in the pass-through. Once again, your camp trip might be a little different. Convenience, just in the simple method of entry, is found on the Salem Cruise Lite. All of them get the upgraded door pull. Plus, they have the MoreRide step above triple steps for the main entry. On the exterior, you'll also get a little bit of power. A power tongue jack for tow setup, power awning with adjustable legs, and the Go Power roof mount solar prep. For a little help getting into your site, every Salem Cruise Lite has backup camera prep. So you can pick out the camera you want, and it's an easy install. I like the Bluetooth ones myself. What else can be found on a Salem Cruise Lite exterior? Well, most will have a very convenient camp kitchen, so you can keep that bacon smell outside where it belongs. It's iffy in my book. You want more? How about features you can readily see but are a huge asset are the black tank flush, a heated and enclosed accessibelly with removable underbelly panels for easier access. Those are the ones you can't really see but are really handy. Now, when it comes to construction, what you want most out of a travel trailer is the ability for it to last camping season after season. Solid construction is a hallmark of the Forest River Salem Cruise Lite. You'll find that every Salem Cruise Lite has a camber chassis with a powder-coated I-beam frame. Ones with a slide out will have a triple seal as well as a 13-ply cross micro-laminated beam header. Above your head, how about a one-piece Superflex roof that comes with a 15-year manufacturer defect warranty? Now, before I hit some of the select Salem Cruise Lite floor plans, I want to let you know that on average, the Salem Cruise Lite models, they're about 36 feet in length and have an unloaded weight of around 7,500 pounds. Also, just as an FYI, the Salem Cruise Lite line is a little bunkhouse crazy. You're going to find a lot of options for bunkhouses. Therefore, I'm going to highlight a handful of family-focused Salem Cruise Lite bunkhouses first, before moving on to some camp, couple-centric, and I'm going to end with some toy haulers. How does that sound? All right, let's hit the bunkhouses in order of size. So the 261 BHXL has double bunks, jackknife sofa, convertible dinette, and a queen bed. Ergo, the 261 BHXL can sleep up to 8. You'll also get an outside kitchen. Now the 263 BHXL can sleep 8 comfortably. Within its large living area slide out, you're going to find that awesome Versa lounge. Up front, there's a private bedroom. Outside, you'll find a camp kitchen as well as direct access to the bathroom. The 273 QBXL has a private bunk room that can sleep 3, and overall, it can sleep up to 7. There's a massive living area slide out with a Versa lounge, a private bedroom, and an entertainment center with a fireplace. Now the 28 VBXL pushes the private bunk room into a higher level with Versa twin bunks as well as a Versa queen bed. Adding up all the sleeping spaces, the 28 VBXL can easily handle up to 8. The living area slide out has the Versa lounge, and the master bedroom is private and awesome for soundproofing. You'll also get a camp kitchen. Now, moving on to some camping couple floor plans, there's the 171 RBXL. Now, this efficient Salem Cruise Lite is lightweight, yet has a pretty impressive rear bath that includes a walk-in corner shower and a wardrobe closet. Up front, you'll find the versatile Jiffy sofa with the Easy Bed lift system, commonly called a Murphy bed. The 171 RBXL can sleep up to 3. The 24 RLXL is a true rear living floor plan with a large sofa against the rear wall, a slide out housing a large U-shaped dinette, and a good-sized master bedroom up front, separated from the living area via a walk-through bathroom. The Salem Cruise Lite toy haulers are all selectively available in the West from New Mexico to the Pacific Ocean. One of the really good ones that I like is the 251 SSXL. This model has 13 feet of open floor garage space with a pair of flip fold sofas and an electric queen bed in the garage area. Up front, you'll find a private bedroom. Opting for a lightweight conventional travel trailer or, moving up to the midsize, the Forest River Salem Cruise Lite will have a floor plan that is going to accommodate either you and your significant camping other or your entire campground-loving family. You can check them all out at campingworld.com and find the right one for you. Hey, Salem Cruise Lite's probably got one you're going to love. And by the way, happy camping.